Hey everybody, it's your mentor Scott, and I am going to show you how to make some really cool musical instruments out of things that grow out of the ground. So first off, we're going to start with a dandelion trumpet, or probably a dandelion clarinet is more accurate. But what I'm going to do is take one of the flowers and break it, which I already did with another one. Whoa. So that, it's pretty short and you can see that it's hollow. Then I'm going to split one end, which I did here, so that it looks like that. Now, hypothetically, it should make some cool trumpet sounds when I blow on it. Alright, I may have looked very funny in that, and I may have been turning blue, but as you could see, it made a pretty cool sound. And that's your dandelion clarinet. Next, all you need is a blade of grass. And it should be pretty thick. The thicker, I think thicker the better. And it needs to be long enough, about as long as your thumb. So what I'm going to do here is put it between my two thumbs so that it's pinched between the top of my thumbs and the lower part of the knuckle on my thumb. So what you have is something here where the grass is in between them, and you want the grass to be pretty tight. So that's what it's going to look like. And then I'm going to blow just right there between my thumbs. And there you have it. That is a grass trumpet. Dandelion trumpet and grass trumpet. And they're really hard at first, so don't get frustrated. It's something just fun to try anytime you see some grass or a dandelion. I suggest using the dandelions that already have the seeds blown off. They work the best. And then pretty soon you'll be starting your own marching band with grasses and dandelions. Thanks, everybody.